YouTube. Today it's gonna be a bunch of randomness. I really don't know what to do today, alright? Butt cut hair. I really don't know what to say, what to you know what I mean? Like, it's just a video that's just gonna be what it is, you know? So let's get to it. So yesterday I basically did like a transformation. So when I put that out, you guys are gonna notice that I'm in the same clothes. Not as today, but in yesterday's video. I just wanted to point that out because I don't want you guys saying anything. So yeah. You guys, I just broke all wave code. I just broke the biggest wave code in all waving right now, alright? I don't even have my brush. Like usually it'd be, I don't even know why I'm doing that. That was kind of foul. That was kind of foul. I was gonna show you guys my brush, the pocket, but then it was like, it got a little weird, but listen, I don't even have my brush. I'm about to take off my do-rag just to show you guys. I really need a haircut. What? It's bad. It's bad. The waves is there though. The waves is there though. Listen, but no matter what, alright, you can find something to brush, okay? Listen, when the going gets tough and the tough gets going, you go. What are you guys doing on the ground? All right, you almost missed the whole lineup part. That's the most important part, all right? When you fall down, get back up again, all right? Y'all see the silky do-rag. Y'all see the silky do-rag. He is up next right now. Excuse me, sir. 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 I'm ready. Let's go. Big difference. Yeah. how long you been coming to Velocity Curse?
For like 3 or 4 years now.
3 or 4 years. We only been open for 3. You do the math.
Right here.
Hold on.
Hi.
All
the time.
Are you
all the time.
all the time?
We came all the way from New York.
New York?
Yeah, you're from New York. Yeah.
Dang, I didn't think that far, but hey, I'm glad you guys came.
Yep.
You ready? You ready? Hold on. What's your name? AJ? All right, let's go.
Oh my God, how exciting.
All right, AJ, what kind of cut you want?
Tell them something cool.
Something cool?
Yeah.
All right, I got you.
Something we can't do in New York.
All right, you guys, next time you see AJ, he's going to be AJ too cool, okay? He's going to be way too smooth. All right, YouTube, and the time has come for AJ Too Smooth, Too Fresh, Too Suave, any two you could think of that represents clean, it represents nice, any of that nature. That's what AJ is right now. Let me get a close up. Let me take it off the tripod. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, indeed. Indeed. Yes. All right, AJ, anything you want to say? Last words. Come on, you got to give me something. You've been quiet this whole time. Come on, give me something. No? No? Okay, you're going to regret this. You know you're going to regret this. Okay, listen. This is what we're going to do, okay? This video... Hold on, let me see. This video is going out tomorrow, and I'm going to give him a special code to say in the comment section. That way, it lets me know that it's him. You know what I mean? Can I give you a code, at least, so you could type something, since you don't want to talk right now? Is that cool? Yeah, okay, all right. All right, you guys, me and AJ, we're out of here. We're done here. It's over, okay? Go home. You don't have to keep watching. It's over. It's gonna be done. It's a wrap, please. Okay, all right. AJ, last attempt. Come on.
Come on, AJ, say something.
AJ.
You came all the way from New York.
Yeah.
Dum dum dum
Hey,
dum
shout out
dum
from New York.
dum dum
Say it.
Give him a
Just
shout
say
out.
it. Say shout out. Just say shout
Say
out
it.
from New
I'm
York.
AJ. I came all the way from New York to see 360 GZ. I hope I said that right.
Uh-huh.
Come on, AJ, come on.
Okay, I'll say it for him. Listen, this is AJ. He came all the way out from New York to see me. That kind of sounds weird, me saying it to myself. Huh?
Yeah.
It
AJ,
does.
say it.
But still, he's a little shy, so
Not really.
we're just gonna. I mean, but I know how it is when I met Kevin.
Huh?
I was kind of shy when I met Kevin Hart. I was
Kevin
like,
Hart?
I couldn't really get it out.
Really?
So it's one of those things. We out?
It's not usually.
AJ, you don't want to say it? I'll give you $1.